Hi Jeep Wrangler fans. I have a 2016 JK that I want to install these rigid dually spotlights on the A-pillar. Of all the YouTube videos I saw, nothing of the type of application that I wanted for my JK was listed. Most involved running wires to a pod device or fishing wires through the firewall. I wanted something easy, using a remote control to turn the lights on and off. Here I have a breadboard layout showing the rigid lights, remote relay, and a 12-volt battery to test the setup. All these items were purchased from Amazon.com. You can see that the rigid lights are connected as per instructions directly to the remote that's provided with the kit. And here is the remote relay kit. It comes with 2 remote controls with the batteries included. And here is the relay. Now the way this is wired, it's a really easy setup. The relay comes with 2 remotes, as I said. One just hooks up to the rigid lights to the switch provided. The red and black wires go to the battery post, and the white wire from the relay goes to the input wire of the rigid lights. You can see here the red light is connected to the white input light of the remote. So here's another shot of the box, and here's a shot of the relay box instructions. And this is the battery that I use to hook everything up. Okay guys, I've got everything wired up here. You can see the white wire from the relay goes directly to the red wire of the rigid light. And here I have the hookup to the battery. And you can see you have to turn the switch on to make this thing work. This is the switch that's provided with the rigid kit. Once the switch is on, and the switch would be underneath the hood of your Jeep at all times, unless you just want to disconnect it from the battery. But normally the switch is normally on all the time, and you just use the remote control to control your spotlights. This is great because you can use your remote to turn on the light outside of the car from a distance of about 50 feet. And you can see here I have the remote control in my hand. It has an on and an off button. And you can see when I press the on button, the lights come on. I press the off button, the lights go off. Real easy setup, perfect for my application. Hope you enjoyed this video, Jeepers. Ciao.